Hey YouTube, I'm back with another video. Look at me, I'm on a roll, honey. But I am doing a review on the Bella Curls from Family Dollar. I found this product and I was just like, well, it looks nice. I have the replenishing treatment mist. Let's see if you guys can see that right here. And then I have the curling defining cream. I already used this before, and when I tell you that my twist out was so defined, I was so happy with it. Mind you, I do have 4C hair. It's the coarsest hair on the scale, I believe. So yeah, if you're a 4C texture, you know exactly what I'm talking about, and this is definitely a good deal. I know it's from Family Dollar, but you guys know I'm fleeky on a budget all day, every day. So when I saw it, I was just like, I'm kind of nervous. But you know what, I'm gonna try it. I didn't see any breakouts, I didn't see anything. Nothing happened to my hair. It works perfectly fine. I love this stuff. Let's get right into the video.
Okay guys, so I'm parting my hair into 4 sections. After I put my hair into one section, I'll go ahead with the scrunchie or whatever you prefer, rubber band, banana clips. And I just place that right on there to hold the section up while I'm twisting my hair. Now I'm going to brush the section that I'm going to start twisting, so there won't be any tangles, knots, you know, anything that will prevent me from getting through this coarse hair that I have, but I love. And then I part and I start making little twists in the back, and then towards the front I make them more bigger because my patience isn't that good. So I'm just explaining that I'm using a little twist, doing little twists. And I'm using the Bella Curls Replenishing Treatment Mist. As you can see, I don't know how to spray the hair properly. And I'm going to use the cream. I love this cream. The texture of it is great. And 4C hair, you guys, it doesn't get as curly like, you know, 3A hair, 4A hair. 4C is more coarse, and this particular product makes it more curlier. So I was just showing you all how the product works. As you can see, that twist is perfect. And I'm just going to begin twisting my hair into those little twists. I just part up as I go. You don't have to part your hair in a particular way, but you know, if you want your hair to lay down properly, I would suggest to just, you know, make parts and place the parts the way that you want them to fall.
Okay guys, so I'm almost done with my hair. Just want to come back on and finish this part over here. I never had a twist out, well, like twists that actually fell down the way that this Bella Curls allow it to fall down. This is great product. I highly recommend it. Oh, I just love it. So let's get on right into this side right here. Okay guys, so I am completely finished with my twist. I'm going to wrap it up. I'm not going to stretch it. I'm just going to let it be however it wants to come out in the morning after I blow dry it. And I'm going to do all of that on camera for you all, just so you all can see how this works. So this is the morning after. What I'm going to do is spray my coconut water replenishing treatment mist and just spray it on my hair. Then I'm gonna start just taking them out. And how I take them out is just kind of put my hand between them. You guys see that? Look how defined the curl is. Where I gotta find it. Right here. Okay guys, so this is a twist out without me stretching out my hair. So I'm gonna go ahead and stretch it out and try to style it the best way that I can. The first time using this product, that was the first time I've worn my hair actually out in a twist out. So I'm trying to get comfortable to wearing my hair like this out. So let's see what we get once we start separating the twist. With separating my hair, I just take one twist and just do that. Simply do that with some of the pieces that without the twist and just separate. So it can be a more fuller, have a more fuller definition. Okay guys, so this is the finished look of my hair. Hope you guys like my tutorial, my twist out tutorial featuring my Bella Curls product. It's only like $5.99 at Family Dollar store. You guys know I'm all about being fleeky on a budget, so definitely go copy some from your nearest Family Dollar store. All right, and until next time, dolls and gents,